Hello everyone, my name is Propis Manungkalit. On this occasion, I will present a summary of the project assignment in the business communication course, titled Going Viral Beyond the Screen, Analysis of Problematic Customer Service Communication Case in Indonesia is uh, towards 2023 until 2024. Okay, see you. Okay, this part one interaction itu yes. This paper aims to explore the phenomena of framing bias in customer service communication that went viral in Indonesia during the 2023 until 2024 period. This phenomenon is understood as form is formation presentation that systematically influence customer perception and reaction toward the service provided, particularly within a cultural context that places high value and empathy, such as in Indonesian society using an exploratory case study approach and a mixing qualitative, qualitative method. This is research examines several viral cases involving major companies such as Grab, Shopee, Telkomsel, and Pertamina. The findings show that inconsistencies in positive framing, along with use of automated AI-based communication system that lack sensitivity to local cultural nuances, contribute significantly to the escalation of customer complaints into viral content on social media. And next is benefit. Number one, theoretical benefit. The study contribute to academic discuss by extending framing theory and prospect theory through the integration of Indonesian culture and AI media set and communication. Many classical psychological theories assume universal applicability, yet the findings of research demonstrate that customer reaction to framing are shaped by cultural specific expectations, particularly the high value placed on empathy, harmony, and policy tone in Indonesian society. By showing how ultimate response from AI systems often fail to meet these expectations, the study opens new pathways for research in digital communication and human AI interaction. It highlights that framing effect cannot be fully understood with considering cultural and technological variability, CRB offering a more nuanced model for analyzing customer service. Communication in digital environment. Two, practical benefit. Practically, this study provides companies with actionable insight to how communication failure escalate to into viral incident. The assumption that more empathy equals fire problems, revealing that empathy alone is insufficient if the response is inconsistent, delayed, or mislead the customer emotional state. Organization can use the finding to improve the design of customer service protocol, ensure more context-sensitive framing, and strengthen human oversight over AI-driven communication, especially during high pressure of emotionally charged situations. The research also supports policymakers in developing clearer guidance for ethical digital communication. It underscores the need for transparency in AI usage for establishing standards that protect consumers from misleading framing practice. Rather than relying on reactive regulation, the study demonstrates that preventive frameworks can reduce financial loss, reputation damage, and large-scale public backlash. Okay, next literature review main concept. Number one, framing bias. How message presentation alter perception. Number two, positive framing bias. Okay, number three, prospect theory. Number four, risk framing theory. Number five, circle model. Okay, last, number six is Indonesian culture influence. Preference for soft tone, empathy, and last, harmony. Next, methodology, data source. Number one, social media recording. Uh, number two, number two, news articles. This is detik.com, kompas.com, three government data. This is Kemkominfo and Statista. Thank you. Next. Impact. Number one, impact on customer. The viral escalation of customer service failure produces a series of psychological and behavioral consequences for customers. Loss of trust is not merely a surface reaction. It reflects a deeper judgment that the company is unable or unwilling to recognize. Okay, experience difficulty. However, the assumption that customers always react proportionally solve the questioned social media dynamics, often amplify dissatisfaction far beyond the initial issue. Okay, this emotional escalation frequently evolves into collective outrage, driven by shared narrative and repeat framing on platforms like TikTok or Twitter. Hmm, okay. The phenomenon highlights how a single poorly frame response can trigger large-scale interpretation of systemic negligence. As consequence, customer loyalty may decline sharply, not only because of the initial failure, but because the viral disclosure reframes the company as unreliable. The drop in loyal users up to 30% in certain cases indicate that customers treat communication quality as an integral part of service performance, not an accessory to it. Okay, impact number two, impact on companies. This is okay. Companies experience a multi-layered impact goes beyond short-term reputational damage. Rating decrease such as the observers uh, 15% drop in platform like Grab, Stripe suggests that customers use public feedback system to penalize framing failures. The assumption that these ratings reflect service performance is misleading. Data often capture emotional reaction shaped by viral narrative rather than objective evaluation. Hmm. Financial loss accumulates from customer churn, reduced transaction, increased management costs, and the need for compensation or public apologies. Okay. Negative branding spreads rapidly, reshaping the company public identity even if the operational issue was initially minor. Boycotts versus intensive pressure, demon- demonstrating that digital outrage can quickly mobilize offline economic action. Okay. Regulatory scrutiny is another social impact when viral incidents reveal pattern such as insensitive AI response or inconsistent customer handling. Regulators interpret them as structural problems. This increases the likelihood of complex checks, mandatory reporting, or new regulation, adding long-term operational constraints for the company. Okay. Next, the last conclusion. Studies show that framing bias plays a major role in triggering viral customer service issue in Indonesia during 2023 until 2024. Mislead or inconsistent framing, especially when lacking empathy easily escalates into public backlash due to cultural expectation and the amplifying effect of social media. Cases involving Grab, Shopee, Telkomsel, and Pertamina illustrate how poor framing reduces customer trust, harms corporate reputation, and cause financial loss. The findings highlight the importance of culturally sensitive communication, human oversight in AI systems, and consistent delivery of promise, promise, promise solution. Overall, the study emphasizes the need for companies and regulators to adopt ethical, empathic, and adaptive communication strategy to prevent negative viral outcomes. Okay, okay, that's my Okay, that's my presentation regarding project assignment in the business communication course. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye bye.